好，我们一起来看今天的5个词。第一个，天 ，sky。比如说，星期天。好，接下来，来 to come， 来。我来学校 I come to school。我早上8点来学校 I come to school at 8 in the morning. 来 can also be used to get someone's attention. For example, 来，我介绍一下 Come, let me introduce. Or before a meal, you can say 来，我们吃吧 Come, let's eat. 好，下一个 Guess what? We're going to practice how to, right? 下一个的下 Below, underneath, 下 We can also use 下 together with the number 1, 一下 to use it as a measure word after a verb. 比如说，我介绍一下 Let me introduce really briefly. 我看一下 Let me take a quick look. 我听一下 Let me to listen to it really quickly. 好，下面一个杯 cup 木布杯 cup 一杯咖啡 a cup of coffee 一杯茶 a cup of tea 杯子 cup 一个杯子 one cup 两个杯子 two cups 昨天我喝了一杯茶 Yesterday I had a cup of tea 昨天我喝了2杯茶 Yesterday I had 2 cups of tea 你想喝一杯咖啡吗 Do you want to have a cup of coffee? 好 The very last one 回 to return Okay, I can erase this part. Okay, sorry for that. 家 roof pig home or family or house 回家 return home go home 回家我昨天晚上10点回家Last night, I went back home at 10 o'clock. 你今天几点回家 What time do you go back home? That's all for today.